Hello friend, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video you are going to learn step by step on how to upload video on YouTube without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and follow the tips and tricks I'm going to share with you in this video on how you can upload video and get more view on YouTube without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive deeper into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about YouTube topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you log in into your YouTube account. So having logged into your YouTube account, then you have to come to the top right here, click on create, then right here you have to choose upload video. Next thing you want to do is to come down right here and click on this icon right here and select your video from your PC and then click on open. Alright, so we have successfully uploaded this video on YouTube, but that is not the end. Let us see some of important settings we need to take into consideration that will rank this video and get us more view as far as this video is concerned. So let's see. So starting from the title right here, you need to make sure that your title is related to your content. So right here you can see the title right here, step-by-step guide. So this has to be like this, step by step. So it has to be step-by-step guide designing a simple business card in Photoshop. Okay, but if you don't know how to write a title for your YouTube video, you can, if you are using FeedIQ gives you opportunity to generate a height title for about 3 height title for free in a month. So you can use that to create a befitting title for your video. So that is for the title section. So let's take a look at description. So under description, this is another crucial area that rank your video that you need to take into consideration. So you have to write a title that relates to the video and add some of the keywords in your title. So this allows you to get more view as far as YouTube videos is concerned. So let me bring out my title. So I have already write all my titles right here. I will just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. I'll copy the title and let's go back to the channel and I'll come back here. I'll just paste the title right here and boom. So you can see it's as simple as that. So you can add some hashtag. So hashtag business card, design, then hashtag Photoshop. Photoshop tutorial, then hashtag Photoshop okay, so you can add as many as possible hashtag to your title. So this is another factors that generates more views for your video. So for me, I will just add 3 for now. Then we can scroll down and continue to check on other settings that we need to take into consideration. One of the settings you need to take into consideration right here is thumbnail section. Thumbnail is also one of the important things you need to consider when you are uploading your video. You can imagine when you upload your video on YouTube, YouTube is going to give you about 3 different thumbnail right here. But in some cases, all these thumbnail here, they will not encourage it. It is always advisable for you to create an attractive thumbnail that relates to your video. So for you to have a new thumbnail, what you need to do is to come to upload right here, click on upload thumbnail. Then from your PC, I'm going to select my thumbnail and I'm coming here and I'll make sure I click on open. So you can see the thumbnail right here. So it has been fully updated. So that is for thumbnail section. It's also important to give you a kind of good result for your video. So let's take a look at playlist right here. Another good thing about playlist is that if you have a series of content, it is always advisable to create a playlist for them. This is because when you have a playlist, it makes it easy for the viewers to watch more related content about the topic, and also it gives you more traffic and more watch hour as far as your YouTube channel is concerned. So for you to add a video to the playlist, just click on select, and then you have to pick on the related playlists that relate to the video. If you don't have a playlist already, just come down below right here, click on create new playlist and add the video. But for me, I have a playlist for this particular content right here, business card design. I will just select on that. Then once you select on that, I'll click on done. That is that. So let's scroll down and see one or more settings that we need to take into consideration before we can publish this video. Another setting right here is that we have to make sure if the video has to do with paid promotion, we have to indicate. Okay, let's scroll down, and we need to make sure that allow automatic chapters and key moments. So this, make sure this is always checked, and this one also is always checked. So let's scroll down. Then down below right here, we have tag section. Tag is also important factors that guarantee you more view and more visibility on YouTube. Tags is what people are searching for on YouTube that that you need to add into your video. So if you are using VidIQ is going to give you a variety of options of tags and search volume of the tags per month, and the competitors are the like. So if you are not using a VidIQ, you have to make sure that you generate a relevant tags that relate to your content. Okay, for instance, this video here is about business card design, so I have to use this first 3 suggestions by VidIQ basic. So I'm going to add them first. Now, having had them, I need to add more tags to this video because YouTube allows you to add maximum of 500 words tags into your video. So let's check it out. So I will add another tags, business card design in Photoshop CC. So the more you are typing, they'll just press enter key, it moves to the next paragraph. Creative business card. So you can see VidIQ is giving me different options right here. So I can easily select on that to make my work more easy. Alright, so I'm done with all the tags right here. So you can see we have almost exceed the get to the actual number that YouTube allow, which is about 500. So we are left with just 4 characters. So I will leave it in that way. Then we can easily scroll down and see more settings we need to take into consideration. Alright, so under this particular allow embedding. So for you to allow embedded, this allow you to have more view from websites and some apps. There are some blog posts that people just create a blog post and they make a reference video. So copy a YouTube video and embed it into their website. This is also another external factor that generates you more view. Always leave this embedded allow, because if you disable the embedded, so by the time they embed your video, by the time anybody click on the video from their website or their blog or on any apps, the video is not going to play. So, and the next one right here, publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscriber. This is also important. Now let's take a look at short remixing. So do you allow people to remix your video to produce short from the video? That is what this one really means. So as for me, I do not allow remixing of my content, so I have to disable that. Then you can scroll down and let's see more settings that we need to take into consideration. All right, so under this section right here, this is where you have to consider messages, comments and rating. So if you want people to comment on your video, just make sure you select allow all comments. So if you don't want them to comment, you can play around with all the stuff right here. So let me quickly scroll to the top and see some settings that we still need to consider when you are uploading your video on YouTube for more views and more traction. All right, so at the section right here, let me quickly tell you more about this section. We have made for kids, not made for kids. Now, if your video content has to do with kids content, you have to indicate that yes, this content is made for kids, but my content is not made for kids. That is why I choose no. So this is also important. So this will allow YouTube to know the actual audience they are going to drive into your channel. Now, if you are using FeedIQ is going to rate your SEO score. So you can see the SEO score right here is 46.8 by 50, which is quite good. So you can see it right here. So once you are done with all this first staging of settings, which has to do with detail section, then you have to come down below right here and click on next. So the next section here has to do with monetization. If your channel is already monetized, definitely you are going to see this tab. So let me give you some insights and some tips about monetization. So for you to monetize your video in an appropriate way, just click on here and make sure you turn on the monetize and click on done. Then one important tips about monetization is that if your video is above 8 minutes long, you are going to have this option enabled. So manage min rules, so you can click on that. So this section here allow you to add as many as possible ad break into the video. Let's say for instance, after the video play about 3 minutes, I click on here to add another ads. So you have to select ad break. So which means that by the time this video get to this particular minute, they are going to show another ads. So I can place another hash right here after 6 minutes 50 seconds, and I will come to the top right here. I will make sure I click on hard break. So this is how to place a multiple ads, most especially if your content is above 8 minutes. So once you are done, come to the top right here, click on continue. So the next thing you want to do right here is to just click on next. So under the hard suitability, you have to determine, you have to certify that this video does not contain some of the information right here. So recreational drug content, enabling dishonest behavior, harmful drugs, harmful or dangerous acts, shocking content, violence, adult content, inappropriate language on thumbnail or using the content. So you have to make sure all your content has to satisfy all these, starting from the title, description, and keywords you use on this video. So if you are very sure of everything you use in the content, what you need to do is to just come down below right here and tick on none of the above, which means that your video passed all these criterion. And then once you click on that, then you have to scroll up right here. Make sure you click on submit rating right here. So click on submit rating. Click on next right here. All right, so this section here is video elements. Now, if you have a subtitle that you want to add to the video, this is where you click on add, then you upload the file. The video is going to be automatically translate based on your file, okay? But in some cases, you can leave it and let YouTube do the job for you, okay? So the next one right here is add end screen. So if you want to add end screen, maybe after people watching the video to the end, you want them you want to show them more video about your channel, just click on add or import from video and add it to this section. So right here, promote related content during your video. So maybe for instance, people are watching your content like 10 minutes or like 5 minutes, that you want to show them another content relating to what you upload, what they are watching. So you can add it at this section right here. Just click on add. It might be playlist, it might be single video, it might be YouTube short, so what have you. So that is that. So at this section here, once you're done, we'll add whatever you want to add. Just click on next. All right, so this place here, this is where YouTube will check for copyright, whether you have a copyright song on your video or you have a copyright materials on your video. If any copyright content is found in your video is going to be flagged. But if everything is fine, then you are going to have a green check mark like this. Hard suitability, green check mark like this. This simply means that All elements of this video, everything here pass through the YouTube criterion for monetization, uploading of the content, and etc. So from this stage here, what you need to do is to just click on next. Last stage on uploading a YouTube video, and monetization as far as YouTube is concerned. So under this section here, we have save or publish. So these are options. So option 1 here is private. You want this video to be in a private, that is only you and people you choose can watch this video. That is, if you make this video private, only you and the people that you share the link with are the one that will see the video. The same thing goes to unlisted. But one thing about unlisted is that if you are the only people, you can monetize unlisted, but for private section, you cannot monetize a private video. Okay, so let's quickly scroll down and see more options. So the next option here is members only. Everyone can find your video, but only members can watch it. You know what this simply means is that if you have about 500 video on your channel, you can decide to make 200 out of the video for members, the people that subscribe to your content in another section. So they pay for it, okay? But other people that does not subscribe to your channel, maybe they subscribe but they are not subscribed to your member package, they will not have the opportunity to see the video. They will not have the opportunity to watch the video. They will only see it, but by the time they click on the video, YouTube is going to force them and ask them to subscribe to your member package before they can watch the video. That is what members is all about. But this member section here, only channel that we are monetized can have the opportunity to use this tab. So the last one right here is public. So once you click public, it means that your video is going live. Okay, there is a very last option right here which has to do with schedule. Under the schedule, you can determine you want this video to upload in the next 2 or 3 days. Set the schedule, put the time that you want the video to be on live, then leave the rest. So that is for schedule as far as this section is concerned. So right now we are going to go ahead and click on public. So we want to publish this video straight up. So once you click on public, then come down below right here and click on published. Boom. So it's as simple as that. Now, once you publish your video, YouTube also gives you chance to share the video to other platforms for you to get more view. You can share the video on a platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, email, KakaoTalk, and you can slide like this and see more places that you can share the video. Read it, VK, OK, Pinterest, Blogger, Tumblr, Skyrock, Mix, Google Meet, etc. So these are the platforms that you can also share this video to and get more view, more traffic, and more subscribers from the platform. I hope you really got value for this video, because this is what I have for you as far as how you can upload and monetize your YouTube video step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.